Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about theoretical probability. As you remember, in the last lesson we talked about probability, what is probability, and how to find the experimental one. But not always we have to do an experiment for finding probability or a survey. We have another way to find the probability, and this one is theoretical probability. Well, we said that the probability of an event to happen is the number of successful outcomes over the total number of outcomes. Let's see one example. One letter is chosen at random from the word statistics. What is the probability that it is S? So we have to find the total number of outcomes. As we see, the word statistics has how many letters? It has 10 letters. We have to find the probability for getting an S. So S, how many S do we have in this word? We have 1, 2, 3, 3 S. So the probability for getting an S is the number of S over the total number of letters, which is 3 over 10. In part B, we have to find the probability that we have a vowel. So what is the number of the vowels that are found in the word statistics? As we see, there are again 3, 1, 2, and 3, A, I, and I. So again, the probability for getting a vowel will be the number of the vowels over the total number of letters, which is 3 over 10. And C is asking what is the probability for not getting a vowel. So the probability for not a vowel will be the number of letters which are not vowel over the total number of letters, which is 7 over 10. Another way to see this one is by subtracting from 1 the probability of getting a vowel. Okay, we know that the probability for getting a letter from the word statistics will be 1. So if a part of them is vowel and the other part not, to get the not part, we have to subtract from 1 the probability of getting a vowel, which is 3 over 10. So the probability will be 7 over 10. So if the probability of an event occurring is P, then the probability of it not occurring is 1 minus P. Now we know that the probability take values between 0 and 1 always. Let's see some examples related to these ones. A dice is thrown. How many different ways could it land? So we know that if we throw a dice, the possibilities that we can get are the numbers on its faces, are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Okay, it has 6 faces, and the numbers are shown on these faces from 1 to 6. What is the probability that a 3 is thrown? Okay, so in total, all possible outcomes are 6. To get a 3, it means I have only one possibility. So the probability for getting 3 will be the number of 3s that I can get, which is 1, over the total number of outcomes, which is 6. So it will be 1 over 6. What is the probability of not throwing a 3? Now this one can be found in 2 ways. As we said, let's write the first way is counting the other possibilities. It means the ones which are not 3. 1, 2, 4, 5, or 6. So if the thrown dice give me one of these faces, 1, 2, 4, 5, or 6, it means it is not 3. So the probability will be 5 over 6. Okay, for not 3, it will be 5 over 6. Or the second way, if I subtract from 1, if I subtract from 1 the probability of getting 3, so 1 minus probability of getting 3, which is 1 minus 1 over 6. Again, it is 5 over 6. 5/6. Okay, so we have two ways to find the probability in this case. Let's see example 3. A bag contains 2 white beads and 3 black beads. One bead is chosen at random. What is the probability that the bead is white? First of all, we have to find the number of beads that are found in the bag. This one will be the number of all possible outcomes. The number of beads is 5. We have 2 white and 3 black. So in total we have 5. So to find the probability for white, probability of white will be the ratio that is formed from the number of the white beads, which are 2, okay, number of white beads, over the number of the total, which is 5. So it will be 2/5. And now let's find the probability for having black. Again, it will be the probability, the number of black beads, which are 3, over the total number of beads, which are 5. So it is 2/5 and 3/5. If we add them, we'll get 1. Okay, so it is the total. Let's have a look on exercise 5. 25 yellow cards numbered 1 to 25 and 25 blue cards numbered 1 to 25 are mixed together. Some of them are given here. So what is given? I have 25 yellow cards and I have numbered to them the numbers from 1 to 25. It means 1, 2, 3 until 25. And I have what? 25 blue cards. Again, on them are numbered the numbers 1, 2, 3 until 25. Okay, so in total I have how many cards? In total I have 50 cards, it means. Okay, I have to find some probabilities now. So to find these probabilities, I need all possible outcomes. As we said, all possible outcomes will be 50 cards. So what is the probability that the card picked at random is a 3? So how many 3s do I have? I have 1 yellow and 1 blue. So the probability for getting a 3 will be what? 2/50. I have 2 3s, 1 yellow, 1 blue, and in total I have 50 cards. So 2/50 or 1/25. We can simplify it to 1/25. Getting a blue card. Getting a blue card. In total we have how many blue cards? In total we have 25 blue cards. Okay, so 25 blue cards over 50, which is the total number of cards. If we simplify it, it will be 1/2. 1/2. Not a 7. What is the probability for getting not a 7? For getting a 7, we have two possibilities. We have 2 7, one yellow and one blue. So for not getting a 7, it means I will have 1 minus 2/50. 2/50, which is 48/50. And if we simplify with 2, it will be 24/25. Okay, so the first way is by subtracting from 1 the probability of getting 7, or if you take out the 2 7s, the letters that will remain, 50 minus 2 will be 48 letters. Not a blue. Again, for not getting a blue, it means we'll have yellow cards, not blue ones. How many cards which are not blue do we have? In total, we know that we have 25. So it will be 25 over 50, which is 1/2. Or 1 minus 1/2, which is the probability for getting a blue. 1 minus 1/2. Again, it will be 1/2. A number which is a multiple of 3. Okay, so now we have to find the multiples of 3 from 1 to 25. What are these multiples? Well, let's write. So we have 3, we have 6, 9, 12, we have 15, we have 18, 21, and 24. Okay, so these ones are multiples of 3. These multiples are found twice, one for yellow cards and once for blue cards. Okay, so I have in total 6 and 2, 8 for yellow and 8 for blue. So multiple of 3, let me show like this, will be what? 16 over 50. Again, you can simplify with 2. It will be 8 over 25. Okay, a blue 24. To get a blue 24, there is only one blue 24. So probability for blue 24 will be 1/50. Okay, so these ones are the probabilities that we can find in this question. Now let's see another example. A class has 15 boys and 30 girls. The teacher chooses the class monitor as follows. The students' names are written on slips of paper which are folded and put in a bag. The bag is shaken and one name drawn out. This person will be the monitor. So what is the probability that the monitor will be a boy and the probability that the monitor will be a girl? So to find this one, first of all, we have to find the total outcomes, okay, which is the number of students in class. So what is the number of students in this class? It will be 15 boys plus 30 girls, which is 45. So the number of possible outcomes, all possible outcomes will be 45. To find the probability for having a boy monitor, it will be what? The number of the boys, which are 15, over 45, which can be simplified with 15, and it will be 1/3. And the probability for having a girl as the monitor, okay, will be the number of the girls, which is 30, over 45. Over 45. This one can be simplified with 5. It will be 6/9, again with 3, which means it can be simplified with 15. It will be 2/3. Okay, 2/3. Okay, so these ones are the probabilities. If we add them, we'll get 1. 1/3 plus 2/3 is 1. Okay, let's have a look now at the answers, 1/3 and 2/3. Is it more likely that the monitor will be a boy or a girl? So what do you think? If we check the probability, we know that 2/3, this probability is greater than 1/3. Okay, so we'll say that it is more likely that the monitor will be a girl, since the number of the girls is larger according to the boys. What can you say about the sum of two probabilities? Well, we said that the sum of these two probabilities is 1. Okay, 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 3 over 3, which is equal to 1. So what does the probability of 1 mean? We discussed in the first hour of this chapter that 1 means that the probability is certain. It means this event will happen. So since the sum of these ones is 1, it means that the monitor will be one of the students of this class. Okay, this one is certain. It will be a boy or a girl, but it will be one of them. Okay, that's why this one is a possible event. Okay, it is certain. And the probability will be 1. Okay, these ones are the exercises that we solved for today. We'll continue with other exercises tomorrow. So see you tomorrow in Zoom.